Hi everyone, I hope you are well. I am Sandeep and most welcome my dear friends in this video. I hope you know that today is 5 September. Today is 5 September. 5 September. SEPTEMBAR. And today is celebrating of Teachers Day. Sarvapalli, region of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Because today is birthday of Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, which we are celebrating Teachers Day. And love you, our honorable respected teacher, who I have studied, and all of our honorable dear friends, in which people I have gained something in our entire life. Love you, all of you, and lot of love all of my teacher, respected teacher, honorable teacher, and all of my dear friends. And आई होप आप लोग जानते होंगे आज सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्ण का जन्मदिन है, जिनकी वजह से हम लोग डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली, जिनकी वजह से हम लोग सेलिब्रेट कर रहे हैं हैप्पी टीचर्स डे. टीचर्स डे, टीचर्स डे. माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, we are celebrating Teachers Day. Love you, all of you. Happy Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day, my dear friends, all of the respected teacher. Teachers Day, all of the respected teacher, because we are celebrating in all of the country of Indian people. My dear friends, and with him we are giving lot of respect our social media app as Facebook, YouTube, and lot of social media, in which place we are gaining something in our entire life, and in which platform we are learning something, we are getting learn, and lot of love. YouTube family, YouTube people, because YouTube is as a platform, also you can watch video and you can learn and you can beg teacher. आप टीचर मान सकते हैं यूट्यूब को एंड आल सोशल मीडिया ऐप को. एंड मोस्ट ऑफ लव आवर ऑनरेबल रेस्पेक्टेड टीचर, डायरेक्टर, प्रिंसिपल एंड ऑल ऑफ द पीपल in which we are gaining something our entire life, and who I have learned something. जो मैंने उन लोगों से सीखा है, उन सभी लोगों को मेरा शिक्षक दिवस पर हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं. एंड मेकिंग रेस्पेक्ट फॉर योर टीचर, फॉर योर फ्रेंड्स हु आर यू गिविंग इम्पॉर्टेंट टू यू इन योर लाइफ. इफ यू आर ए स्टूडेंट, and my dear friends, the teacher always teach to you and give to you better opportunity, and he always give direction going to right way. I hope you know that at this talk. If you are a student, so never heard of anyone teacher who are you teaching, because he give study of his knowledge to you. You must not forget at this talk. And be respect all of the teacher, all of the honorable respected people who are give some knowledge of our entire life. If we want to do something, we are making respect student and teachers. Understanding, we must understand. If you are a student, if you are a teacher, if you are teaching to you, so we are where we are going, where we are watching of people, and what we want to gain, all of the give knowledge of as a teacher, and he give lot of motivate to you. He give lot of motivate to you, and you can watch in my video. Light have to remove, and we would not make this video long. So thank you and love you, all of the honorable respected teacher and all of the people. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Jai Constitution of India. Thank you.